Hey guys, this is how to remove a green screen from a video using Canva. So guys, as you can see, I have a green screen video over here, or you can just simply click on upload over here by just simply clicking on this one, upload file, and just simply select your specific video. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and click and drag it over here, and you should be able to do the same process. So now I have this sample over here. In order for you to remove the background, you can click on this one, background remover, or you can just simply click on edit over here at the top, and you should be able to see the same one over here on the left side, which is background remover. And from here, as you can see, it will automatically remove the background for you. And now you can also change the filters over here. You can just simply click on see all, and after that you can simply go ahead and change your filter based on your preferences. And if you want to add a background, you can just simply click on element over here and just simply search for a, let's say, nature background. And from here I'm gonna click on this one, photos, and after that, let's say I'm gonna go for this one. And after that, just simply click on the video, click on the position, and go forward over here. And you can change its image over here. And after that, I can just change the size of the background as well. So pretty much it will be depending on you guys. And from here, as you can see, we will have the cat over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.